Yeah, right there. That's the all new baby boom from the frog factory. Little tiny frog. Little itty bitty froggy. But here's the deal, even though it's little itty bitty, look at the bite on this thing. Massive bite, super soft. You can skitter it, you can walk it. When you trim the legs like that, it walks really, really good. But it's a great little chugging frog. Awesome on fisheries that get a lot of pressure. I love this frog if you're fishing swamps and stuff like that, like around cypress trees or undercut banks, skipping around docks. I mean, this thing is the all-around perfect little bite-sized snack with a lot of commotion. That is the baby boom from the Frog Factory.